Hello everybody, and today I want to show you all my fire alarms that I'm hooked up. Over here is my Wheelock AS in the bathroom, and over here is my Wheelock MT4. Here is my fire bell and light switch. In my room, we have a Spectacular Classic, and here's my pole station back there. I don't know if you can see it or not. And over here is my Simplex pole station and my Wheelock 7002T. And over here is my Firelight BG12, and up there is my Wheelock NS. Over here is my other Firelight BG12, and up there is my Wheelock EHS EL1. And over in the laundry room is my Wheelock RSS, and right here is my other Simplex pole station, and here's my exit stopper. And over here is my other exit stopper. And over here is my I forget the model of this pole station, but up there is my Wheelock AS. And that's all my fire alarms. Bye.